Okay, welcome back to another backtesting session. Just going to be backtesting the 10am Po3 today, and we'll get straight into it. I've extended this by a week, so we can just put this on full screen. And yeah, we'll get straight into it. I'll skip up to Tuesday, as I don't trade Mondays when I'm trading the 10am Po3. I do look for setups on Mondays, but not for this model, as it doesn't really provide that many good setups on Monday. So yeah, we'll just get straight into it. Start on daily bias, and I will turn these executions off. Hold on, so you don't sweat. So starting on the daily, does look like we are in an expansion phase, but we do have this new day opening gap, or this new week opening gap that still needs to be filled. No SMT to look out for. 4 hour got tapped into. So yeah, probably going to see maybe a distribution, but we are respecting PDRAs on the bearish side, as you can see, respecting this 15-minute gap. And then we have a new 15-minute gap that formed at market open. So we could probably take a nice setup from this, and we come straight into it after our accumulation. So I'm waiting for this gap to be inversed here. And let's see if this inverses. We respect it. I'm going to take the first inversion just because this is quite an A+ setup. Leave stops just there. We formed a 5-minute, so I'm going to have to go break even in this 5-minute gap. So let's just do 0.5. I mean, going break even just before a 1-to-1. So I'll go break even there. We are already at a 1-to-1, so it is fine to go break even. We get stopped out at break even. We would have been, yeah, we just continue to chop around. I'd rather just save the headache and get stopped out at break even. So next day, still haven't come down and filled that gap. Look like we barely had any movement on the daily candle. So potential long, but yeah, probably going to be a long today. Just off seeing this market structure. I don't like how we swept these highs and rejected these highs. So yeah, going to be cautious of that. We did inverse this 15, tapped into the order block. So yeah, this is going to be a bit tricky. So we might just have to wait this out a little bit. Oops, I'll get rid of this. We did tap into this hourly gap though, so that is good. It's a confluence for us. We formed this small 5-minute gap. Maybe we want to come down and tap into it. Tapped into a 2-minute gap. I mean, we probably would be fine to take this. Let's just see. I'm going to wait for more confirmations here. Yeah, I want to see this gap get respected. So yeah, we should be fine to take a position here. As you can see, this would be our power of 3. Leave stops. Might let stops breathe a little bit. We'll put it down here. And then we can just target a fixed 1 to 2. stopped out. Yeah, it's good that I let my stop breathe then. And that is exactly what we want to see. We can go break even now. We probably should have waited for this power of 3, but again, hindsight is a beautiful thing. I probably wouldn't have taken it because we inverse this 5. I wouldn't trim any just yet. Probably would be smart to trim some. And we get full TP there. Okay, so we'll just move on to the next day. And starting on the 15. Yeah, this does look like it could set up A+ for us, but again, gonna have to go to the higher time frame to confirm bias. Sort of just in this chop, but we are clearly trending upwards. And we just inverse this hourly gap that was previously respected, and we inverse this tiny 1 hour gap. But we did tap into this hourly order block, so do have to sort of be careful there. We don't have any SMT at the highs, which is good. AS did inverse this larger 1 hour gap that they had. So yeah, this is looking like a perfect power of 3 actually. I might even just set a limit order at the CE of this gap, because this is like beautiful. This is exactly what we want to see. I'll set a limit order just for the video. I probably wouldn't do this if this was like in a real market, but actually no, I would, because this is like perfect. Do we get tapped in? Surely it doesn't just no way. Yeah, so we missed the entry. Gonna delete the order now. See, bottom ticking can sometimes get you into some trouble. But yeah, it would have been very good. If we didn't try bottom ticking it, we would have been able to take this first inversion and then a retest of the inversion. But yeah, overall that would have been a very good position. Would have got ourselves a nice. That literally missed by 1 tick, by the way. Nice 4 risk to reward. So yeah, missed that setup unfortunately. Now we can go next day. I don't really like how we haven't had any pullbacks this whole time. So definitely going to have to be careful in that regard. Yeah, don't really like how we haven't had any pullbacks. But this hourly is very different. As you can see, AS had a massive leg up, so we're completely decoupled right now. Maybe we want to tap into this hourly gap. I'll just leave that. I'll just mark it like this. And yeah, we made equal lows at this gap, so we probably do want to come down and tap into this gap, but we also are respecting, we made equal highs at that gap. But look at this power of 3. Very good power of 3. If we get an inversion of this, I might just try position, honestly. Leave stops. Probably. We'd have to let them breathe a little bit. I'll leave like a 5-point stop from that. And then we can just target these highs. We can go break even early as well, which is good. Oops. That was not meant to do a limit there. I was meant to do a market order. Go break even now. We at break even. Full price starts expanding. Yeah, no problem there. It was probably good to go break even, seeing as we did have this 5-minute gap. So that probably did give us some trouble coming on the way down. So yeah, that is the end of the backtesting session. Pretty good backtesting session. Pretty annoyed that we missed our limit order by 1 tick. Probably should have left the limit order like 3 ticks away from the CE. So yeah, can't really do anything about that. Just good to collect data again. And yeah, I'll see you boys later.